Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
So what is the purpose of the government's sovereign gold bond and gold monetization scheme? Okay, see, actually this is a new way of asking questions from the schemes. Okay, so what is the purpose? Okay, you may know that what is sovereign gold bond or else what is gold monetization scheme. Okay, but you don't know or else you may have certain ideas of the purpose of it. Okay, so it is purely a logical based questions. Okay, even if you don't know lot about what is sovereign gold bond, what is gold monetization scheme, okay, even though you can answer this question. Okay, such a way only the UPSC will frame certain questions. Okay, so it is one of the most easiest question based on the pattern wise and also based on the knowledge wise. Okay, so first you need to know about what is sovereign gold bond. Okay, so sovereign gold bond, the reason behind introducing these two schemes are to reduce the gold that are held by the Indian families in their locker. Okay, see, it is the Indian families are culturally connected with gold. Okay, so based on the dowries, okay, and also we will have the certain day as a Achya Tridi day. Okay, on that day people will use it to buy most of the golds. Okay, so there are certain there is a cultural connect or else a religious connect with the gold. Okay, so that lead to the lot of gold imports into India. Okay, and also it is not going to be useful for the Indian economy because at the end of the day it is going to be in a locker only. Okay, so if the economy need to run means there will be a product. Okay, consider that it is a raw material. Okay, this raw material go to the production. Okay, after that it will become like a product. Okay, and then it will be sold to the customers or consumers. Okay, so customers, so certain time period after there may be the repair for it. Okay, repair will be happens for that. Also there will be certain person going to repair that product. Okay, so afterwards this product is going to the destroying market, so recycle. Okay, so recycle and reuse. Okay, so this is how the economy need to run. Okay, so in everywhere there will be certain employment will happens. Okay, there will certain employment will happens at the same time. Okay, so employment opportunity will also happen and also there will be certain economic activities also run. Okay, so this is how the economy need to be run. Okay, but when it comes to the gold, okay, so consider that it is a gold biscuit. Okay, afterwards it is going to the making it is a gold chain or something, ring or something. Okay, in a jewelry shop. Okay, then it is buy by the consumer or an Indian family. Okay, at the end it will be locked in the locker. Okay, so it stopped here. Okay, so there is no cycling of the economy won't happen when it comes to the gold. Okay, so that is the major concern. Okay, so even though the gold is a gold demand, the demand for the gold or it's a good or bad thing. Okay, I'm not about speaking about the cultural thing, but the reason when it comes to the economy, it has certain negative effects in the economy. Okay, so that is the major concern. To overcome this thing, the government introduced two new schemes. One is sovereign gold bond. Okay, next is gold monetization bond. Okay, so what is this sovereign gold bond? Okay, so it is a security denominated in the grams of gold. Okay, so if you need to buy a gold means you can buy this bond. Okay, and you can keep it up. Okay, so if you after certain time period, if you going to redeem that bond means, okay, at the time period of the maturity means, at that time period what is the gold price, that price will be given by that bank or something else. Okay, so such a way they are making the gold in a paper format. Okay, it's like a commercial paper or bond. Okay, so not the government is what the government is actually trying to do is reducing the imports of the gold. Okay, at the same time, what you are doing is you are buying this bond, okay, and you are paying a money. Okay, this money is going as a investment. Okay, so this money is going to be investment, so in such a way it is going to contribute to the economy. Okay, but when it comes to gold means it not be as an investment, it will be stay in the locker itself. Okay, so that is the major concern. Okay, but when it comes to the bond means you just buying the bond, for that you are going to pay money, that money is going as an investment. So for that only the government created the sovereign gold bond. Okay, so it is a government security denominated in the grams of gold. Okay, it was launched in 2015. They are substitutes for holding the physical gold. Okay, so see, and also it have another added advantages. Even though, okay, if you are holding your gold chain or rings or something else in your home as a lock, within the locker means what it may happen, even the theft may also happen. Okay, so these are the major issues. But when it comes to the bond means you are the owner of that bond. Even though if I take that bond, I am going to the bank and approach for the bank to redeem that money means they won't give it to me. Okay, so that is the another added advantage of this sovereign gold bond. Okay, so they are the substitute for holding the physical gold. Investor have to pay the issue price and the bond will be redeemed upon the maturity. The bond is issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. Okay, the tenure period is 8 years, but there is a certain exit options in 5th year or 6th year or 7th year. Okay, so these are the benefits of the sovereign gold bonds. Okay, next, gold monetization bond. Okay, it is nothing but, okay, consider that I am having a physical gold. Okay, I am just going to the bank and giving this physical gold, and I am going to get a bond, gold bond. Okay, so this is the next advantages of this gold monetization scheme. Okay, so it will give you the certain interest also. Okay, so it is the added advantages for you. So the gold monetization bond make it possible for the gold depositor to receive the interest payments. Okay, for the gold being to earn as the interest as soon as it is placed in the metal account. Okay, so the interest amount is actually 2.25%, which means, okay, so if you are holding this physical gold means after 10 years or 20 years you only get the what is the money for this physical gold at the time period. Okay, but if you are going to keep it as a gold monetized scheme means you are going to get that money also plus this 2.25 as the interest rate also year on year. Okay, so this is the added benefit for you if you are doing that gold monetization scheme. Okay, so these are the two major schemes introduced by the Government of India. So now we are going to attend that question. So the first statement is to bring the idle gold lying with the Indian household into the economy. Obviously, okay, so if you are going to deposit this physical gold means it will be converted into the money. Okay, so that will be going to run around the market. Okay, either as an investment or they are going to lend that money. Okay, so by that the economy will grow. Okay, so that is the thing. First statement is correct. To promote the FDI in the gold and the jewelry sector. Okay, first of all, we are replacing the physical gold as a bonds. Okay, so in such a scenario, how it will promote the FDI in the gold and jewelry sectors? Actually, it will reduce it. Okay, because we are replacing the physical gold with the bonds. Okay, so by that the second statement is wrong. Okay, second, to reduce the India's dependence in the gold import. Yes, obviously for that only they introduced these schemes. Okay, so 2 is wrong, which means 1 and 3 is correct. So the answer is C only. Answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Okay, thank you.